Hello guys, my name is Sushant and today we are discuss of conservation of linear momentum, angular momentum and energy in Lagrangian formulation. So let's start. Conservation of linear momentum. According to this law, in the absence of an external force, the linear momentum of a system is conserved, or when no external force is applied on the system, its total linear momentum of the system remains constant. According to the Newton's second law of motion, force applied on particle is equal to rate of change of momentum. So we can write as F is equals to dp upon dt. If F is equals to 0, then dp upon dt is equals to 0, or P is equals to constant. Obviously, the conservation laws in the result of the first integral of equation of motion. The conservation laws are thus also called the first integral of equation of motion. Conservation of angular momentum. This law states that if no external torque acts on a system, then the total angular momentum of the system remains conserved. For a particle angular momentum, for a particle angular momentum, L is equal R cross P. This is equation first. Differentiation equation first with respect to time. So dl upon dt is equal d upon dt R cross P. dl upon dt is equal R cross dp upon dt plus p cross dr upon dt. This is equation second. Therefore, equation second can be written as dl upon dt is equal R cross dp upon dt plus mv cross v, where dr upon dt is equal v and p is equal mv. The second term vanishes because cross product of two parallel vector is 0. Then dl upon dt is equal R cross dp upon dt. Now dl upon dt is equal R cross f. This is equation third. Since dp upon dt is equal f, force acting on the particle but tau is equals to r cross f is equal torque. Now you can write tau is equal dl upon dt. If tau is equal 0, then dl upon dt is equal 0 or L is equal constant. This is torque acting on the particle is 0. Its momentum is conserved. Conservation of energy. If the particle is acted upon by the forces which are conservative, F is equal minus del V. This is equation first. Then the total energy, kinetic plus potential of the particle is conserved. Suppose under the action of such a force, a particle moves from position 1 to position 2. The work done by the particle will be W12 is equal integration 1 to 2 F into dr. dp upon dr is equal F, force acting on the particle. So we can write as equal integration dp upon dt into dr equal integration d mv upon dt into dr equal integration m dv upon dt into dr equal integration m a d r. Since a is equal dv upon dt is equal dv upon dr into dr upon dt is equal dv upon dr into v. Is equal integration 1 to 2 m dv upon dr into v dr equal integration 1 to 2 mv dv upon dr into dr. dr is cancel equal integration 1 to 2 mv dv equal m v square upon 2 1 2 equal 1 by 2 m v2 square minus 1 by 2 m v1 square. So we can write as W12 is equal T2 minus T1. This is equation second. When T2 and T1 denote the kinetic energy of the particle at position 2 and 1 respectively. Further, since F is equal minus del V, we can write W12 is equal integration 1 to 2 minus del V dr equal integration 1 to 2 minus dv upon dr into dr cancel equal minus integration 1 to 2 dv equal minus v2 minus v1 or W12 is equal v1 minus v2. This is equation third. From equation second and third we get from equation second and third we get T2 minus T1 is equal v1 minus v2 or T2 plus v2 is equal T1 plus v1 is equal constant or in general T plus V is equal constant, which show that the total energy of the particle is conserved. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up.